While strolling through the park one day, in the merry month of May, he was taken by surprise by a pair of roguish eyes. In the moment his poor heart was stole away.
A smile was all she gave to him. Of course they were as happy as could be.
Oh, he immediately raised his hat, and finally she remarked,
Oh, thank you.
they never will forget that lovely afternoon he met her at the fountain in the park.